أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي ربنا زدنا علما ربنا زدنا علما ربنا زدنا علما اللهم انفعنا بما علمتنا وعلمنا ما ينفعنا وزدنا علما اللهم لا سهل إلا ما جعلته سهلا وأنت تجعل الحزن إذا شئت سهلا. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu, my dear brothers and sisters in Islam. How are you all? Kindly make use of the chat box to reply to my questions, inshallah. I want it to be an interactive session, inshallah. Alhamdulillah, alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillah, we are in the last day of this video editing course. Alhamdulillah, we were 20 days along, right? MashaAllah, alhamdulillah. Yes, time just flew by. Subhanallah. Alhamdulillah, I'm good as well, dear sister. Alhamdulillah, we are into the day 20th of the course of this course. Alhamdulillah, we got to learn so much together, mashallah. So did you all find it interesting? Did you all found it like you have learned something from this course? Yes, you have learned so much, right? Alhamdulillah. Yes, dear sisters and brothers here, make a niyah that you're going to use this ability and use this skill for the sake of Allah, and you're going to study now. Inshallah, in today's class, we're going to see more of the editing things, inshallah. MashaAllah, alhamdulillah, dear sisters. Okay, make a niyah that you're going to use this skill and ability for the sake of Allah, and also you're going to learn it just for the sake of Allah, inshallah. And inshallah, in the future, you're going to make it into a career. Bismillah ta'ala, by the izn of Allah, inshallah ta'ala. Okay. So heading on to the course, rectify your intentions and begin with the name of Allah, Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim, so that Allah puts barakah in your time, in your efforts, and in the skills, inshallah ta'ala. So with the help of Almighty Allah, with the du'as, Allahumma la sahla illa ma ja'altahu sahla, wa anta taj'alul hazna idha shi'ta sahla. We will just quickly head into the course, inshallah. So we will just give a quick recap on whatever we had studied in the previous classes. Okay, so beginning with the day one, we had learned what is the scope of video editing and more, right? So inshallah, I want you all, dear sisters, dear students, dear brothers here, to type in the chat box whatever we have studied till now. Okay, this is a lesson recap that we're going to deal in today's class, and we have much to learn in today's class as well. Okay, a quick lesson recap, dear sisters and brothers, starting from the day one. Come on, type boom the chat box with your messages. Bismillah, let's begin. What did we study in the day one? We studied about the scope of video editing, why is it used, where is it used, and more, right? And then we learned how to create the projects, right? I want your messages in the chat box, please. Yes, mashallah, dear sister, we studied about the aspect ratio. When we dealt with the creation of the project, we started off with the aspect ratio. Aspect ratio is very important whenever we are going to create a project, because we have to search for the platform where we are going to share. Before creating, we have to know which platform are you going to share this video, right? This video into. So we had to start off with this aspect ratio. Then we dealt with some of the advanced setting while creating the project, right? Some advanced setting like the photo display mode, the fitting, the fill up or something like that. And we also dealt with something called the duration of the photo, duration of the transition, and more in the advanced settings. Okay, then we just created the project. When it was created, then this screen appeared. Yes, dear sisters and brothers, mashallah, we had 5 to 6 things here. One is the timeline is kind of a heart of a video editing software. This is where your video editing works on. And this is a media circle, this is an export tool, this is a play button, and this is an asset store, this is the video window. Yes, dear sisters and brothers, mashallah, boom the chat box with your messages. So this is a back button, this is an undo button, this is a redo button, this is the capture button, this is advanced setting button, this is a maximizing a timeline button, this is just the skipping of the video's content, the skipping of the timestamp. And this red line is very important, which is called as a timestamp, right? And also we had a control bar. This whole is called as a control bar. This is a video window and more. Alhamdulillah. So this was dealt. Then we will see what did we see next. It was about the asset marketplace. And the marketplace, we had thousands of stock footages that we could use, right? The sticker things that and more, right? Then we dealt with the how to export the videos in higher quality. To get the higher quality, we should have the high resolution and high frame rate. Frame rate should be above the 25 plus, right? Then we have dealt how to increase the bit rate. Bit rate is nothing but how in how much mbps will your data be exported or shared, something like that. Megabytes per second and how many mbps. If you raise this, if you toggle this over till here, then this the remember this one, the storage space, the storage, the size of the video depends upon how much the resolution and how much the frame rate and how much the bit rate you choose, right? This was also explained. And then you have to click on the save as video, and there's some option known as upload. You can upload it on the KineMaster as well. This is save option, save as video option that you have to use, that you all have to use. Okay, so to save it into your gallery. And the next thing we had studied was the advanced setting options. Yes, dear sisters, mashallah, most of you are written yes. What did we study in the advanced editing tools? We had studied about, first we started off with the video editing tools. We studied the video editing tools of replace, the trim and split, how to trim and split a video, how to slip the video, how to apply the mixer. In the mixer we can mute the video, right? In the mute the video we can increase the size of the increase the audio size of the audio volume of the video, and also increase the speed of the video, also reverse the video, pan and zoom the video. This is an important option, pan and zoom the video to fit it to the screen, to fit it to the screen or fill it to the screen, or maximize it or minimize it, minimize the screen size, something like that. Pan and zoom works wonder. Then we have seen about the rotation, the mirroring, the filtering, the adjustments and more regarding the video editing, right? Then we had seen more of it. Yes, this is in detail that is mentioned here. Then we had seen the clip graphics, the AI styling, the magic remover, the adjustments also works wonders, right? The filter thing, you can be just convert the entire video into black and white or something like that. The vignette also adds an option. What does it add? It adds something grayish and blackish. It darkens the borders, borders, thereby making your video appear highlighted. Okay, you can just increase the resolution of the video by applying the super resolution. The volume envelope, why is the volume envelope used? I have already discussed. When you want to just increase the volume in some content and decrease the volume or size in some content, some of the content there, then you just can use the volume envelope. Okay, you just have to toggle it up and just place the play heads there. Fine, so you all remember this volume envelope. Then we had a very important option known as pan and zoom. End position, start position should be assigned, and then we had discussed about that as well. Then we discussed about the audio editing tools. In the audio editing tools, KineMaster offers excellent audio editing tools. The reverb option that is not available in most of the video editing softwares, and voice changers, the loop to the end. Why is loop to the end used, dear sisters and brothers? Type in the chat box. Yes, boom it up. Why is loop to the end used? Loop to the end is used if you have a short audio, right? Yes, if you have a short audio and if you want to make it play throughout the video, then what do you do? If you want to repeat it throughout the video, you just apply the loop thing. Yes, excellent, dear sisters and brothers. Here, loop to the end. And why is the ducking used? Ducking is used just to convert something into the background audio, some audio. And if you have two audios and you want some audio to just set back, then that audio will be assigned as a background audio. Okay, then you can just apply the volume envelope here as well. There is equalizer option, there is a mixer option, there is a replace option. Again, all of these are dealt. And also we have trim and split option. All of these were dealt in the previous classes. Mashallah, alhamdulillah, you all have excelled in it. Barakallahu fiki. So the transcode is also, the transcode thing is nothing but you're converting the resolutions of the video, right? I hope you all have learned it so well, alhamdulillah. Then we had discussed something about the media, about the control bar, the layers. After if you select the videos, then what will appear on the control bar? Something called as a duplicate as layer. Then if you select on the photos that are on layers, then that you will get bring to friend, send to back, and something like that. Okay, all of these options are very, very essential when you're going to the professional level of video editing. Fine. So next we had started off with the media circle, learning about the media circle. We had something, the first option named as media. From there you can just browse the media from your gallery and put it here, put it on the timeline. The second option was an audio option, and this audio option you just have to take it from the gallery and put it here. That's all. It will appear on the timeline. The recording is nothing nothing but you're giving the voice over to the video, okay, voice over to the video, to voice over to the content that you have created. And the next option is nothing but the layer. It is nothing but in this layer it is added a video upon a video, a photo upon a photo, a audio upon a audio, or a sticker upon a video, or a sticker upon a photo, or a text upon a photo, or handwriting upon a photo. So this is very important, the layer option, okay, because this gives you something called as a green screen effect, something called as a cropping thing, and something called as the animation tools, okay. With the layers you can do 3 to 4 extra things that are very important, fine. So here the cropping options, why is the cropping option work? So how does it works? If you have a very big size video or a photo, if you want to crop it up, if you want to make it in the round circular fashion, if you want to mask it up, if you want to give it a frame or something like that, give a mask, give it a shape, add the feathers to it, and just make a beautiful content out of it, okay. You can just mask, you can just feather it up and more, okay. The cropping tool works in the layers itself, okay. Then the next thing is a chroma key. This is a very important key, fine. It's very important thing that is available only on the kind master. How are you going to remove the green screen or the blue screen or something, a background, if it is in the background, what you have to do is you have to enable the chroma key and just toggle these two options. And this is very important, dear sisters and brothers. What is this? It is nothing but the key color that you have to assign. You have to see it. If it is white color, then it is white color. You have to change the background. If the background is green, then key color should be green. If the background is blue, then the key color should be blue. If the background is white, then the key color should be white. Understood? Okay, alhamdulillah, you have done it so well. All of the homeworks were excellent. So this was discussed in previous classes. And one more thing is this one, the animation key. This was also discussed, right? Animation key. This is a high professionally advanced video editing that you will learn here, that you all have learned, alhamdulillah. In this you had something called keys. You just have to assign the keys, the plus assigned keys, and you are going to animate your content. So this is an animation key that we have learned. The green screen effects and the animation key go hand in hand, and I want you all to be very proficient in this, so that this will be very helpful while you are going for a career in the video editing, fine. So alhamdulillah, we had discussed all of it in previous classes, and in first 10 days we had discussed about the tools, and last 9 days we have been discussing, we have been on a special training sessions, right? In the special training sessions we were learning about what were we learning about? In the first few days we had learned about how to create the Quranic Tilawa videos, right? We had taken a high project, a big project of entire surah. It was about Surah Al-Duha, right? Dear sisters and brothers, please type in the chat box, let it be an interactive session. We had started off with Surah Al-Duha, alhamdulillah. All of your projects were excellent, barakallahu fiki. All of you have done so beautifully, edited this video so beautifully. So this Quranic recitation videos that you're going to make in the future and now, and whatever you have made, inshallah, they will be a form of sadaqah jariyah for you, my dear brothers and sisters here. I want you all to keep up this project. Keep doing one or two content. Keep doing one or two Quranic tilawa video often, once a week, once a month, or something like that. This will be a source of reward for you. What we will have in our akhirah, but the rewards, the ongoing rewards. Don't we want the ongoing rewards? Ongoing rewards are very important for us. What rewards what neki, what good deeds we do here are just for this world. If you want to send this for the ongoing deeds that we want, then when we can just do such deeds that are ongoing, the sadaqah, that is sadaqah jariyah for us, inshallah ta'ala. The knowledge that you give for your kids is also a sadaqah jariyah. The knowledge that you have given to some students, that is also a sadaqah jariyah. They making use of that is a sadaqah jariyah, right? So this you can make it a sadaqah jariyah, inshallah ta'ala. So the Quranic tilawa video, the afzalul zikr, you have just converted that into the video format, alhamdulillah, inshallah. Hope that you all will create excellent content out of the Quranic tilawa videos, inshallah. So the next thing that we had learned was the business promotional videos. Even the money matters is also important in the Islam, right? So we were learning about the business promo videos, how to create the business promotional videos. If you have a business, if you have a business or something like that, you just can put up your promotional videos on the social media, or you can just take it as a career and you can promote for other businesses or something as such, okay? Alhamdulillah. Okay, inshallah. So this were the business promo videos that we had learned. We have seen so many types of business promo videos, the anniversary sale videos. We have seen more of it, right? I like the content, for example, for the Instagram or more. Probably you all have seen how I had edited some videos, and I've shown you in the classes. Make use of the recordings, inshallah, if you did not attend the classes. Okay. So next we had discussed how to create the short videos. We started off with something Asmaul Husna content. We also started off with fewer projects of these smaller editing projects, smaller editing projects and more. We had edited a hadith reminder. Yes, we had edited a hadith reminder. We had seen Allahumma ballighna Ramadan. That was also discussed in the class. How did we edit the dua video and more. Then we had seen the breaking news content, breaking news video. For example, if you're just if you're just interested in the current news and more, if you are sharing the content on WhatsApp and as such, if you're just sharing the news, current news to your groups and more, first thing what you have to do is you have to verify that the news that you are going to spread is authentic or not, and then you're just going to create your own content out of it. The videos that you get from the WhatsApp forwards, or you just have some from somewhere and you want to create a breaking news out of it, you can just have your own voice over and create a beautiful editing video, right? This was already discussed in classes. Alhamdulillah, you all have done excellent in that. Barakallahu fiki. The homework that you have submitted were excellent, mashallah. Then we had seen how to create the wedding invitation videos. This is also helpful when you have someone in your family or yourself, if you have to have send a wedding invitation for any of your friends, with regards to your sister's marriage or something like that. You just can create your own video editing, and you do not have to depend on anyone for this. Okay, this video editing is quite easy and quite simple. Alhamdulillah, we have discovered that in last 20 days, right? Did you all find it easy, just easy, or very easy? Please type in the chat box. I want to hear from you, dear sisters and brothers here. Okay, then in yesterday's class, we had been discussing again about the video editing and of the wedding invitation, as well as rotating and scrolling of the photos and videos and text with the animation key. Because the animation key was not dealt in details, I wanted to deal with this in detail, so I just took off with this topic, that is nothing but animation key, rotating the photos, scrolling up the photos, and just placing the text somewhere here and just moving it up and all. Okay, those was not that is nothing but that concept is nothing but animation. You can also take a tiger, for example. If you want to create a cartoon content with an animation, what you can do is you can just download a tiger that is moving, fine, with a tiger that is moving on a green screen. Okay, what you do is you place somewhere here, it's just standing and moving. So what you want is you just put an animation key around the video and just toggle it up. What you have to give, you have to add up as keyframes here, so that it moves throughout the video. So you just can create superb animation through the animation keyframe that is on KineMaster. So for this photo editors, video editors on the smartphone, this application is best. Fine, this is the best application that I could offer you all. So in today's class, inshallah, we are going to discuss about the intro and the outro. Before that, I've just wanted to discuss about the homework that we had just given. What was the homework, dear sisters and brothers, that was assigned to you all? Can you just mention in the chat box? What is the homework? It was about the wedding invitation, right? I wanted you all to create the wedding invitation video, as well as the scrolling and rotating of the text. Mashallah, most of you have submitted, and few of the students have not submitted yet. I want you all to submit it, inshallah, before tonight, inshallah. So into the class today, we are going to see about the intro and extro content. Okay, why is intro and outro essential, my dear brothers and sisters? Can you please type in the chat box? What is an introductory video and what is an outro video? Have you all seen in the major YouTube channels or somewhere, what they do is at the first they play a video. They play a video with their logo on it, and their purpose of the channel on it. Okay, the YouTube video that has an intro. So it is actually a short intro that they give, right? Yes. In the outro, what is all available in outro, dear sisters and brothers? In the outro, they actually tell you to like the channel, subscribe the channel, or something like, just follow us up if it is on the YouTube, if it is on the Instagram or the Twitter or the X platform or something like that. Yes, dear sister, mashallah, alhamdulillah, all of the students were very interactive throughout the classes. Jazakumullahu khairan for that, dear sisters and brothers here. So inshallah, today we are going to deal with the intro and outro, and we will see so many topics today, and we will inshallah with the takmeel we'll just end up the sessions inshallah. And also in the end of the session, I'm going to teach you some of the earning methods that you can opt. So be present throughout the class, be concentrating, be attentive inshallah, concentrate throughout the class, and inshallah let it be an exciting session inshallah. So let's just start off inshallah. So I just want you all to practice along with me. I'm just going to share my screen, so I want you all to practice along with me. Are you all ready with the Kind Master open? Have you all opened the Kind Master application? Yes. Kindly make use of the chat box. I'm just going to start sharing the screen inshallah. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Yes, dear sisters and brothers, are you all ready with the Kind Master? Bismillah. So this is the Kind Master application that we have. This is what we get when we open up the screen, right, dear sisters and brothers? Yes, alhamdulillah. So we have a home page, then we have a mix, then we have something called create option, then we have something called a profile option. Okay, so the profile option shows in this way, and if you have professionally, I mean, you have just uh, um what do we say, you have just purchased this version, then you will have a badge on there. And also for the mod version, they will also give you a badge there. Okay, this badge will be available if you are a profit, if you have purchased it and you have also have a modified version. Okay, so this is the look of the Kind Master that we have, and this is the home, right? This is the home that you have. Then you have something called mix, then you have something called create. Okay, now we will just create some projects, and then I'll just show you how to take it as a template from the beginning. Okay, so let me just start with the creation of a project. First thing, I just want to ask you all, dear sisters and brothers here, have you all downloaded the content that is sent in the group? Have you all downloaded it? Kindly type yes or no. I want you all to download the content that is being sent in the group, all of the videos inshallah. Bismillah. Okay, let's start off. I want you all to just create a new project. Let me just start off with a 16:9 ratio because it is a YouTube standard. Start creating, and just you can write the project name. Write the project name as the intro of the YouTube channel that you're going to create. Let me just start off. Bismillah. This is the create project. After you're just going to start with the create, what appears as a media browser, you have to start off with the media browser. You have to start with whatever you want. Let me just start with the first thing, any intro video that you have downloaded. Kindly just take any of the video that you have downloaded from the WhatsApp. Okay, for now let me just see what I can take. Okay, let me just take this video, which is of 10 seconds. This one, dear sisters and brothers. Okay, take this video, import this video on your Kind Master. Done. Hope you all have done this. It's just of 10 seconds. How can you create the intros out of it? This is such a beautiful video. Just see how is it. There is nothing. This is just this much, and then they have sent it this much. These are the intros videos that are already available on YouTube, or as such, you just can download it, dear sisters and brothers, from there, and you just can put your own logo on it, put your own this one in it. Okay, whatever you want, you just can put the content about your brand or something like that. You just can put a brand logo, a brand a text, a brand tagline. Tagline is also important when you create something like that. Okay, this video, see here, I just edited this video into this format. I'll show you how I have edited and how you can also edit this. Doesn't it look good, dear sisters and brothers? What is being opted here? It's nothing but you just give this one and this one. That's all. So this is the intro that you can make. This is as simple as that. So let me just start off with this. What did I do? I just took a layer, went to the text, and started off with writing EDU-SITE there. Okay, you can also import your logo there. Fine, dear sisters and brothers. Remember, you can just import your logo. If you want to type it in the caps, you type it in the caps. I have now typed it in the small. Let it be the lowercase itself. No problem. Okay, then let's just go for the fonts. Let's just have beautiful fonts. For example, you can just take a fonts like this, like anyhow, whatever you wish, you can just go with it. Okay, be this one. I just took a bold font that I wanted, so this is the font that you can apply. I can just go with it. I want you all to create your own intros. You can create your own intros, or you just can create it for us. You can just give it your own names. Okay, see how beautiful it looks, right? So for this, I decide what I do. You have to give an animation to this. An animation, let it appear fade, let it pop up and appear, or something like that. Let it slide right and appear. Let it appear letter by letter as well. You can just give whatever you want. Enter slide left, enter slide right. This is also better, fine. Okay, you can just keep this one. Then you just add a tagline. What is a tagline? For us, it is where the excellence is reached. So how you can just do is you just duplicate it. It's totally your creativity, dear sisters and brothers, that you're going to apply here. You can also use the animation tooling here, fine. You can also use the animation thing here. I just duplicated this, I placed it here. I can change the font style. I want it, I do not want it in this way. Let me just keep it as in such a handwriting fashion, and just I'll write it in this way. I'll put a tagline here. What is the tagline for EDU-SITE is we just derived it into this one, where the excellence is reached. Excellence is reached. Okay, this is the tagline that we write. So we can just decrease its font size because this is too big, right? This is too big for the tagline. Tagline should be very small. So this is how you can edit it. And also, what did I do? One more thing I did it here was, for this, what did I apply is I just placed it again. I duplicated the EDU-SITE again. Just see here, dear sisters and brothers, what I did was, just to make it look more good, what I did was I completely made it a watermark copy there, and it made it appear like an animation there. So I'll just put EDU-SITE here, fine. Now just see, what I have to do is I have to lower its opacity, fine. I have to lower its opacity. Let me lower it till here. I did it in this fashion. You can do it in your own way. Send to back. Let it be sent to back. It is backward now. So let it be a lower opacity, of lower opacity. Okay. So let it be of 12%, fine. So I can just use the animation key now. Okay. Because for example, let it appear inside the screen in this manner. Let edu come first. Okay. Let it start from here. Use the keyframe, dear sisters and brothers. Use the keyframe. Start off from here. Put a key here. Okay. Put a marking key here. And then at the end, put another key and put it here. Fine. In this way. Let it be in this way. Now play it and see how beautiful it will look. Dear sisters and brothers, it is all your creativity that you are designing here. See how beautiful it looks. Even if you do not want it in this way, you can just put an EDU-SITE in the rubber stamp manner. Okay. What I choose whenever I show a intro is the rubber stamp in animation. Okay, the rubber stamp thing. See how beautiful it looks. And this way, the rubber stamp thing appears very great. Okay, so this is how you actually design the intro. Okay, so just see till where you have to have this. Where should you stop it? And out animation is very important, dear sisters. And give out animation to your text, in animation to your text, to completely make it feel excellent. Find your sisters and brothers, do it with entire heart. Do not just do it for just the namesake. Do it with an entire heart. Put all your creativity there. It's not just the video that you're creating, it's the emotions that you're creating. When the viewers see it, they should feel like what an excellent content this is, right? Out animation, just let it fade. This is how you can just use your creativity and put into picture, put into this video. Okay, out animation you can give anyhow. So let's see where the excellence is. The tagline, let it appear a bit later. Okay, so you all have to adjust all of this. Okay, see how beautiful it looks now, where the excellence is reached. This is the intro. Now you can also give this one. What I have designed in this in my logo was in this way. See here, where the excellence is reached. Okay, this is not better than what I have created now, right? Okay, each time your creativity increases with the practice, you will actually increase in creativity. This is fine now. This looks beautiful than this. Okay, the next thing. what did I write in the next was thanks for watching or something like that. This was a outro that I can make. Okay, I can split it off and keep. What I can do is I just can split it here. Okay, itna bas, itna kafi hai hamare liye. This is enough. So what I do is just split it off and keep. Okay, for example, what you can do is you can just keep the 1 to 5-second content as 1 to 5 second content as an intro for your channel. Okay, intro for your YouTube channel or somewhere. If you are going to apply, then it is an intro for your channel. Okay, for if you want to put an outro, you can just make use of this one, the third 3 seconds, or you can just decrease the speed of this and increase the duration of this by decreasing the speed, and then you can just write follow us on YouTube, follow us in this, and something like that. See, I have written this so well here. You can just copy the same, find us on www.youtube.com at EDU-SITE. You just can write it this way, and the watermark I have placed the same watermark. So what you have to do is you have to just copy, duplicate it, and just replace it. Duplicate, replace from here. Yeah, see, you just put it till here. Okay, see, this is the outro that we are making. Then one more thing, what we are going to add is again the text. So the text be the EDU-SITE. So this text, let's just copy the same text. We don't have to create the text again and again. Okay, it is already available. Put it here. Just duplicate it and put it every on the next text. Fine. So where the excellencies, instead of this, let me write find us on YouTube. Edit. Are you all following me? Hope you all are finding it very interesting. Make a beautiful content with your creativity, dear sisters. Find us on YouTube. Okay, you just write it in this way, and then the next thing you just can write it as at EDU-SITE. This one is the background that you had. This one, let me just duplicate this. See how beautifully it works, dear sisters and brothers. There's the duplication. You don't have to recreate everything and set. You do not have to add in animation again, out animation again, and set. Okay, please remember you are just doing it in a very easy way, and you have to know such tricks that will help you to save your time. Fine. So come on, see how beautifully it seems now. The intro thing. Okay, you can add something like this. So in this way. Okay, I just misplaced this. Let me place it here. Find us on YouTube. Let this also be find us on YouTube. Let this also be a bit bigger font. Find us on YouTube at EDU-SITE. See how beautifully it looks. Now we have created both intro and outro in the same fashion, and also I have applied a watermark behind. There is a watermark of EDU-SITE going behind, right? So this looks good for the channels that are for the bookish knowledge or something like that, in which the learning is compatible, in which the learning compatible channels. For me, this was suiting my tagline or my field of work. Okay, you can do it on your own field of work. For example, if the boys have a gaming projects, if you are going with the gaming videos, or if you are going to create the gaming content, or something like if you have something called, if you are going to create some cartoon contents, then make use of the intros that are beneficial for you. For example, there is an intro and outro that I had sent just now. Do check that, inshallah. Okay, did I send you the 2-minute 15-second intro video? Probably no. Inshallah, we'll see after the class if I can send it to you. I'll just teach you how we are going to add something to that. Okay, I've downloaded something from the internet. It's from YouTube probably. What did I do is, it's nothing but intro or outro video with a green screen in it. Okay, so you just download it from somewhere. If you're just going into some technology field, for example, you're creating reviews for the products that you are taking. For example, mobile phones, you're creating for the smartphones, reviews for the products, smartphone products. You can make use of these videos and put your own logo in it. For example, just see here the technology, these are the technology promos. Instead of green screen, you have to put your logo in it. How to put your logo in it? What is the procedure, dear sisters and brothers? Let me just delete it and show you. Sorry, let me not just delete it, let me make it as a layer, duplicate it as a layer, and this video should be removed. And instead of this video, you have to place a black screen there. Remember, you are going to place a black screen there. Let me delete this, and you're going to place a black screen. Do you all remember the procedure, how you're going to remove the green screen from a content? Yes, probably yes. So go to the image asset, click on the black screen, keep black as a base. Understood or not understood? Keep a black thing as a base. So this is a base. Okay, so select whichever promo you want from this. Okay, for example, it is a 2-minute video. There are 5 to 6 intros. Okay, select whichever intro you want from this, and then what you have to do is you have to apply the green screen. How to apply the green screen effect to the layer, dear sisters and brothers? Go to this one and go to the chroma key. Where is the chroma key? Open it up, enable the chroma key, and just toggle this up so that you can just harden it so well, and it should not be very transparent so that your screen is visible. You have to make it opaque. You have to make it opaque without the usage of the green thing. Okay, so let me just make it more opaque. Is it opaque? Okay, let's just see whether we are creating a good content after we are just making it pan and zoom, or just the cropping that works here, right? There's also a pan and zoom option and also the cropping option. You can just do it in this way. The green screen has disappeared, right? The green thing is here has disappeared. Next, what you have to do is you have to import your logo and put it along with the animate it along with the screen, animate it along with the video. So from here, starting from here, you have to just start off with your logo. Let me just see what logo I have here. Okay, if I have my own logo, so where are the images? No, I do not have a logo here. So let's check which logo I have. Okay, let this be the logo. This is the logo that I have. Let me just put it till where I want the entire video. Okay, let it be till here. Starting off with this, we are starting off this. First, what you have to do is you have to put it backwards. Do you all remember this? How to send it backwards? Send to back. Done. Now see where do you have the green screen? Play this and see where do you have the green screen. Start off there. Have something called green screen here. So you have to place your content exactly inside this. Now it is placed right. Okay. Okay. There's something called green is appearing here, right? You have not yet perfected this chroma key. So go to the chroma key and perfectly align this up so that this green is vanished off. Is it looking good now? Yes, right? So alhamdulillah. Let me just see how we can just increase the size. Okay. Let this appear in this fashion. So come on. It's so beautiful. It's so interesting. It's actually very easy to do this. Now we are here. So what I'm going to do is you're just going to start with the animation tool. Start with the animation tool. Where is the animation tool, dear sisters and brothers? I want you all to reply in the chat box. Let me just sign in with another device or something like that so that I'll see your chat box. Please type in the chat box. Let's see what are you up to. What is the progress, dear sisters and brothers? Where are you all? Put on the keyframe, put on the keyframe, switch on the keyframe plus. Click on the plus option, okay? Okay, move it along the screen. You have to move this here, fine, inside this. Yes, alhamdulillah, it is being set along the screen. It looks beautiful when you're going to do edits in this fashion, dear sisters and brothers. Okay, this is how it actually got edited, fine. Then you have to move it along with it. Just give small breaks and push it along with it, dear sisters and brothers. This is not properly aligned. What you have to do is you have to align it completely with it. Give some breaks. Stop it here. Stop here. Go to the playhead. Properly align it inside this. This is what the green screen effect works. Okay. Then move here. Again, properly align it. Create how much ever you want to add up the plus buttons there, and then align it properly inside the green screen that you have. Then it is going out of the screen. Take it out of the screen along with the video. See, it is going out. Keep the plus head on and move it along with the video. Then again move here and see it is going out again. Click on this plus head and go make it move along the screen. This is how you're going to move your content. This actually is not matching with the screen, but the logo that matches with your screen, take that kind of intros that matches with your screen. For example, okay, this should not appear here, so we'll just skip off. Sorry, this should not work in this way. Let it be in this way. Okay, probably this won't work out. Okay, let me just start this video from here. Okay, if I play the video from here, Starting from here. Yes, dear sisters and brothers, watch it up, going into the logo, align it completely well inside the green screen. So you just can make it a boom inside this, and you see how beautifully is aligned when it is going out, right? So this is how you can all give it a try. Okay, so these are the logo animations that you can do, and there are so many animations that you have. This one as well, this one was given as an homework at the beginning. Hope you all had done it well. And this is also another thing, I'll just show this to this one. Okay, they have, we can move it here. This one won't work there, probably because it is here, the playheads are here. You have to remove all the playheads and see, you have to subtract it up, subtract all the playheads. This is beautiful screen, I want you all to just see this. Okay, so what you all have to do is you have to remove the playheads, subtract it all, subtract all the playheads, and then you're going to align it along with this screen that you have. Okay. For example, this is the logo that you want to select. You just have to trim and split from the right and left, right? Okay. Then if this is the logo that you want to keep, what you have to do is you have to shorten this up, right? You have to minimize the size so that it will fit inside this, okay? Your logo should match with the screen. Select such a logo that should match with the video that is played. Fine. Then you have to move this along with the screen. Fine. You can design wonderful logos, my dear sisters and brothers. Okay, so I'll just show you some of the logos that I had designed for the few of the channels here. See here, this is how we actually are designing for this. See how beautiful it looks. Now just stop the keyframe, put a keyframe there, and just put it here and make it somewhat bigger in size. Yes, now this will look good. Now again, move forward. Again, give it a in animation, out animation, give it a more animation, maximize it, minimize it, and make it appear so beautiful. Okay, dear sisters, this is, dear students, you have to do it in this way, inshallah. This is an intro and an outro thing that I wanted to explain to you all. So one more thing, how I designed for a few of the channels, I'll just show you. I have some outro here. Okay, this is probably from there is another something called as a render forest. From there, I had actually imported this up. So probably you won't get it, but this also looks beautiful, fine. For example, this one. Okay, you can also make use of a website of this one called as render forest. Okay, I want you all to just know the name. If you want to imbibe something inside the text or something like that, you can just make use of the render forest. Because we have so much contents here, I will just delete it and I'll just show this video. It's not playing well. Okay, you can just convert your logo in this matter, in this fashion. Okay, probably it's not playing well. Yes, there's a meeting is being recorded along with the playing, so it was not playing well. So this is how you also can import from the render forest. So this is another website that I just wanted to tell you which you can import this. And few more I have created. I'll just show you a few of it, inshallah, so that will be helpful. All of this were just excellently done. I want you all to just look into it once. You can just get an idea how you can create your own logos, intros, your own extros, and more. Probably it's not playing well. I just have to have new project. Okay. You can just see here. Okay, this will play out here itself. So this is how this videos appear. If you want going to create a render forest or more, you can just give it a try as well. Okay. And there are a few more things that you can learn, dear sisters and brothers. Okay, I also told you about the green screen content. Do you all remember that? How to create the social media icon videos, right? We're just going to put something like this. How you're going to use the social media icon videos. Okay, these things are already available. Social media icons will already be available. You just have to add your names in it, and just the follow button, everything will be available on the KineMaster. Fine, just download it, add a green screen, and just keep it. Okay, you're just going to play this in between your videos, that's all. Okay, so this is how actually all of this works. Okay, then we will see more videos, some of the Nurul Quran videos. Okay, this is the intros, extras that we have for them. This is the extra that we prepared. Ending logo, this is the same, this is a small thing. Okay, then what else? Okay, this was it about the intros. Okay, then we'll see about outros, dear sisters and brothers. What is an outro? An outro, what you should you have? Please reply in the chat box. I want to see your chats now. Yes, dear sisters and brothers, please reply in the chat box. What will you have in an outro video? Please type. What will you have in the outro video? I'm checking the chat box. I want you all to reply in the chat box. What is present in the outro video, dear sisters? The subscribe button, the like button, the share button, and more, right? So we'll create an outro video as such, inshallah. Okay, what else? We actually have the templates for the outro videos everywhere. You can just find it on the YouTube. You can create it on your own, my dear sisters and brothers. Okay, remember it. You can just create it on your own. For example, you just can create it on your. These are very easy things that you can easy peasy things that you can create. Fine. You can just import these neon things from the Kind Master, and then you can just add it up your YouTube the Kind Master thing, and you just can export this content. Okay, there is also one thing, there is also another thing. I'll just import all of it and I'll show you how we're going to create an outro video. Some of the outros of my channel, I'll just show you. You can just see how well these are designed. Okay, I've sent few of the contents there in the video format. My dear sisters and brothers, I want the videos that I have sent in the group. Please take a look into it and just take a look into this one, how we can create it. Okay, this is the outro video that I had sent. For this, what you can do is, for this you just have to add your logo anywhere, or you can just add, there is some icon given here. You can just add your name, the name of your channel there. For example, let me just add the text layer here and write EDU-SITE there. EDU-SITE. Okay, what I have to do is you have to change it into some text that appears bold, in the bold format. Go to the font, and the something that was used previously was this one. This works good if you are looking into the font that you have to have in the bold format. Okay, bold and caps format. Okay, so you just can write it in this way, and you just have to give an animation or animation to this, or if you want you can just add up some more things to this, or also you have the neon things there in the stickers. Okay, there are so many things in the neon in the stickers. You just can go to the asset store and download it from the asset store. Okay, something called as neon text and more. Okay, please do it if you want it to be more interesting, look more interesting. And also you can give in animation to this, out animation to this. You can just make it drop, or you can just give a rubber stamp. Probably what I prefer is rubber stamp. Okay, you can just give a rubber stamp, and also you can give a blinking effect to this, the pulsing effect to this, or also you can give the fountain effect. All won't look good, the squishing effect will look good. And also you can just give the out animation to this. Wait, okay, in this, or you can add your own logos. For example, see here, I had just created the next one. Okay, I'll just delete this content because I'm going to show you the next one. Okay, this one I had just taken this video that was behind. I just added up my logo and just the name. Okay, see this video, this one I have sent you the without anything, right, without writing anything. What you have to do is you have to just add your own logo there. That's all. That's up to you. That's purely your creativity that comes into picture, dear sisters and brothers. I want you all to put in all your creativity, and you just can decide where are you going to place the logo, where are you going to place the name or something like that. Okay, you just they'll just give you this one. This templates will be available everywhere. Okay, on the YouTube, on the Kind Master also you have the templates. I'll show you with that. Okay, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. This is for my channel that I created. You just have to put the logo there, and just you have to put a circular cropping there, then write the name. The subscribe button will already be available in the templates. Okay, this is how you're going to create it for that. And then there's nothing, there's something again, the thank you for watching. This also was told, and this one is nothing but the YouTube. Inside the YouTube you will have a setting, in that you will assign the videos there. Okay, this will be a blank only. You should keep it blank only while exporting. Remember this. We have, while exporting this, you have to keep it blank only. Why? Because YouTube will have something called as the, it is something, and it's called as a cards. Okay, in the YouTube settings you will have this. Okay, you just have to place inside it, you have to place 2 videos inside it, that will be told in the YouTube, inshallah. You can just understand when you are going to through the advanced video editings. So this is also another outro that I had designed for my channel. See, it was actually nothing but a laptop that was there. Okay, I just searched for this one. The subscribe button is already available on the internet, on the KineMaster itself asset store. You will have the subscribe button, you will have this mouse button also. This is also available, and just I have placed this here. The laptop is also available in the KineMaster, the background is also available in the KineMaster. Just drop it all and just make a beautiful scene out of it, inshallah. So this is another video. I have sent the video from which I have just made this one. Okay, I have sent the copy of the video. Okay, I hope you all have received that. From that you just can make this in this way. See how beautiful it looks, right? Yes. This video I have already sent the background video for this one. This content I have sent. You just have to add your own logo, your own this one, and you just can your own tagline and your own YouTube content or something like social media icons. You can just add and you can just make an outro and intro. Okay. So this is being dealt. Okay. So this is it. So this was about the intro and extra. I want you all to do create a best intro and an outro. So this was a video. From this video, what I did was, for example, this was a video. Probably this is the, I have sent you the blank copy of these videos. Find your sisters and brothers. It's in the group. It's in the group. Just download it and just give your own designs. Make your own designs in it. Make your own logos in it. Make your own intros and outros in it. Fine. See, in this manner, I just develop this one. Fine, you can do it in your own video, sisters and brothers. Fine. Next thing that I wanted to teach you is nothing but in the asset store you have it all. Okay, and the asset store you have it all. For example, let me just go to the stickers, and the stickers you won't get this, right? Where will you get this? From the media, from the video assets. Okay, in the video assets you will have all of it, but video assets you should download from the store. Go to the asset store. Okay, there is a video button at the here. Okay, there's a video button here. Just click on this video button, dear sisters and brothers. Okay, click on this button. Fine, hope you all are following me. I want you to type yes. Please type yes. Okay, then go to this one video option. There is something called intros. Okay, you can just download the intros for your YouTube channel. There's thanks for watching as well. There's thanks for watching. The outro is available. The breaking news content that you already designed, it is already available here. There are so many breaking news green screen contents that you can create and put it in this way. See here, all of the videos are already available. You can just make use of this asset. Okay, if you download this, okay, I've already installed it. If you install it up, if you just install it up, where it will appear, dear sisters and brothers, it will appear inside the media browser, and then it is a video assets. Here there are video assets, here there are video assets. Go and click on that video assets. Okay, there you will have all of it. Okay, so for the example, the first one, it has 7 copies. Okay, just click and see there it has more of the copies. Thanks for watching is for thanks for watching. The second is also the thanks for watching content, and this one, this is for the breaking news. This is for the breaking news. This is for the breaking news, breaking news, breaking news. This is again the outro. This is the intro that you can just download from the KineMaster. There are so many intros and outros from the KineMaster store. You can just download it. For example, for this intro, what you have to do, you have to import it as a green screen and put a, what we have to put behind, your sisters and brothers, you have to put your logo behind, right? So this is how we can create the intro and extra. Fine. So this was it about the intros and extras. Okay, I just want you all to know something about, so this is thanks for watching. You just can put your logo inside this, and the video that you want to play inside this, and the subscribe button inside this. Fine. So this is all about the intros and extras. And another thing that I wanted to teach you all was about the home thing. Okay, just click on the home button, write something there. For example, you want intro videos, write in the intro videos, click on the intro videos. Just check which intro video seems good for you and download that intro video and start off with the templates only. If you're finding it difficult to do your own intros, start off with the templates only. For example, this intro looks very good for me. Let me just start with it. Okay, what you have to do is you have to just click on the mix. see whether it is imported easily. If it is imported easily, then just import it up. It will the project will be downloaded, the assets will be downloaded, and then what happens is you just can change the kind master into your own name there. EDU-SITE, for example, you just can change those names, and this one will be ready for you. Okay, so you just can download it from the home button. You can download the wedding invitation from there, breaking news content there. You can make vlogs from there. You can make the cooking videos from there. You just have to download some templates and keep, or you can download it from the YouTube and keep. You can create excellent contents, inshallah, dear sisters and brothers. Fine. So what's the progress, dear sisters and brothers? Where are you all? Are you just looking into the asset store that you have, or are you in the home and mix button? Have you all just searched about the mix button? Have you all checked the mix button? Okay, let me just check this and show you how this beautifully exports into. Okay, there's it's not appearing correctly, so let me just see what template I actually can get from this. Okay, you can just take any template and mix it up, and it will appear on the create button. Okay, for example, this template I downloaded morning. So this template, for example, this is the template that the kind master gives you. Just click on it and play it and see. This is the kind master template that they have given. See how beautiful. What they have done is nothing but they have placed the color there. They have written a text here, and then they have just made into a presentation, photo presentation there. You just can put any of the photos here and give a presentation. There's the transitions are excellent here. Only the transition, the vintage transition is taken here. You just can change the transitions and put off whatever transitions you want. Okay, alhamdulillah. And one more thing here, one or more option is a fade in and fade out option that you all were telling it was not working. Probably few of the students were telling that we do not understand what is it. Fade in and fade out is nothing but the video sound or the video will fade inside, fade when it appears at the start. For example, for 7 seconds it is fading. If I show you this, it will look like this. Just see here. For 7 seconds it will fade and then the light comes. Okay, this is how it is. So I just increased it and showed it for you. And also audio, it will appear from the fade in button, fade in, fade out. If you just started with a fade in and fade out, audio will fade in when it starts playing, and it will fade out when it is going to end. Okay, you just have to toggle this up and keep how much ever seconds you want it to fade in, how much ever seconds you want it to fade out. So this was the entire and complete kind master coaching that was given, alhamdulillah. And I have not left out with any of the options that are more that are mostly required. Fine, alhamdulillah, we have discussed from basic till the advanced level in 20 days course, alhamdulillah, dear sisters and brothers. So whoever has taken it completely will surely be a pro in it. Okay, whoever has taken it completely will become a pro in it, dear sisters and brothers. So I want you all to just practice. Practice will make you a pro. Only the thing that is important is the practice. Fine, with the practice you can be a pro. Without practice you cannot go into it. You cannot go further inside this. Okay, without practice, if you just tell that I depend upon the 20 days videos, the 20 days course that have taken, now I'm a professional in it. No, you're not still professional. You're not a professional in it unless you practice, unless you make some videos for your friends, make some videos and give for your cousins or somewhere. If they want, if there is a need for creation of videos, just create and put up the excellent content of social media, content on social media, and then you can be a pro in it. Okay, inshallah ta'ala. So then, okay, there's something. How do we forward each part separately of a split video? Please show you have edited up and down design, VV type and outro video in golden color. It was already given, dear sisters and brothers. Fine, it was already given. The up and down design, it was already given, and we just have placed the text. Okay, that is available in VFX. It is available in VFX of the kind master. You just VFX in the kind master, the up and down design, the neon things and more are all available in the asset store of the kind master. Download it and put it there. Those are not those are just from the templates that I have made the design. I have taken the templates, I have downloaded from the YouTube, already available. We are not the graphic designers. We just take the videos and we edit them into a beautiful content, right? We just take simply graphic design content, and we just edit, manipulate the audios, manipulate the videos, and then we manipulate the photos, we manipulate each and every content, the text content, and then we make a wonderful copy of the video. We just have a simple base, right? For a video to be edited, we need a video that is captured or video that is being placed by the graphic designers, or if even if it is not placed by the graphic designer, we can create a graphic content by just taking a background and then adding up the stickers, adding up from the sticker store, adding up from the overlay store, and we can create our own graphically designed video. Fine, that is it. So any doubts, you can just ping me. I think we are just most time for the class, but I want to have so many important topics here, inshallah. So let me just recap what we have studied. It is important that we have studied intro and outro. This is the most important thing when you're going to start off with the video editing and photo editing, video editing, right? With the video editing, when you're going to start off you with your own brands or with your anything in the future. For example, you have your own stores, you have your own supermarket or something as such, you can create your own intros, you can create your own outros for your channels, and you can put in the videos from the store. You can just put in the videos from the store on the YouTube channels, on the social media channel, for the broadcast, for the promotional of the business, for the promotions of the business and board. So intros and outros are very important. So this was the discussed in today's class, and most of it from the templates, how you're going to see, from the mix, how you're going to get the content, and more, right? The asset store as well, as everything, right? So this was a quick lesson recap. If you have any doubts, you can just ping me. I will be available, inshallah. And I also want you all to just mention me the doubts if you have, inshallah, within tonight. Okay, any doubts, you just can tell now in the chat box, or you can just ping me. I'll help you anytime, inshallah. Okay, and now we are just, inshallah, we are into the takmeel of this. We have just completed the 20 days of a session. So what is important, dear sisters and brothers? I wanted you all to attend all the 20 days. Hope you all have attended at least 15 days of the sessions, and most of you, I want you all to complete all of the 20 days. Okay, 20 days, either through the recording or through the live sessions. Probably you all have attended all of the live session. I hope that all of you have attended the live sessions, but if you have not attended, you have to complete all of this lecture through the recordings. Fine, all of the homework should be submitted, your sisters and brothers. All of this homeworks should be submitted, and there will be a final editing exam. Okay, that will be told in the group. That will be nothing but, okay, I'll just tell you what it is now so that you can start off preparing with the exams. Okay, that will be one surah. Okay, one surah from the Juz Amma. Okay, let it be the short surah that you have. One surah, one entire surah you have to edit, and you have to send it as a homework for me. Okay, that will be placed on a major YouTube channel that's for a Sadqa Jariya project. I want you all to edit it excellently. You have to use stickers, you have to make use of stickers, you have to make use of animation, you have to make use of everything. Okay, I'll tell you details in the group, and each one should have submit one surah each. Fine, so you can also merge. For example, if two of them are submitting surah Ikhlas, then it is not a it doesn't disqualify you, no problem. Okay, because it won't be like decided up, right? That can be a coincidence, no problem. So the final editing exam will be this one. Fine, that will be the surah that you have to edit every month. Fine, this would be the final editing exam. For the certification of completion, you have to be qualified for this. Only if you qualified for this, only this, then the certification will be provided. You have to attend all of the 20 days. You have to mark attendance on the group. The poll should be active. Poll should be right for all of you. Fine, you have to put the attendance on the poll, and then the homeworks, all of the homeworks should have the tick mark there. Okay, all of you should have submitted me all of the homeworks. Fine, even if it's 2 to 3 homeworks are left out, then it is no problem, but at least 10 of the homeworks you have to submit. And attendance is mandatory for all classes, because if you miss one class, you have lost, you have not learned very important things, right? If you have missed one class, one session, then you have missed so much of it, right? So this is 20 days attendance is mandatory, and the homeworks is mandatory. The final editing homework will decide you what will be the certificate of the participation, okay, or the completion, inshallah. So this is about the certification of completion. I just wanted to give you some hints how can you earn. This is only for those who have done have attended all of the 20 days class, and who think that this editing will give them a career. I have seen a spark. I have seen a very great earnest feeling of learning or building a career in it. I have seen in it this and few of the students. Okay, so it is just for few of the students who think that they can develop a career in this. It's quite easy, dear students who are here. I want you all to just concentrate. What you are doing is you are just going on the fever, and you're just going to write your own gigs. For example, there are a few of the fever things. Someone named Gurmeet Singh and someone named Ilyasuma. What they have written is they have written that I will give you the edited thing on the Kind Master within 24 hours. We can pay 436 per video. You can pay this much per video. So this is the gigs that you can give. What they do is they just come, and the viewers or the one who wants the content to be edited, they just come and they just ask you to edit their content, and they charge you and they pay you 436 for just the simple video. Okay, so this is how you can just start off with a career on the Fever. Okay, there's a Fever app. Go to the Fever website, take a note about it. Okay, Fever website. So this is the one thing that you can start off with your earning career. The second thing, dear sisters and brothers, dear students here, that you can just launch your own course. I do not give a permission to you all, but only those who have got a pro in it, you can just start off with it, because you can develop something. Because if you have learned so much, if you can do so much, for example, after creating such a content, after creating thousands of videos, we have started off with editing, so that others also can benefit of this. So I want you all to edit such a content, so that in which you are proud of. Okay, then only you can just start off with giving this knowledge to others, inshallah. So you can just launch your courses on Udemy, and there are so many websites on which you can launch your own courses. For example, there's someone named Martin Ambrose. What he did was he was just launched a course regarding Kind Master powerful smartphone video editing, and they had actually 23 lectures in it. It was just a beginner level course, and it was just 1.5 total hours. It was just 15. It is not just 15. It's just 10 minutes video each. They charge 799 for this course at a beginner level only. Okay, so this course that we have provided for you was an intensive copy, and we wanted you all to benefit Islamically. So we just charged so less for you, so that you could all benefit from it. Okay, so this is how you can earn. Okay, and the third thing that I'm just going to provide you, if you are a housewife or something like that, you can start off with this, dear sisters and brothers. What you can do is start on your own. How you can start on your own is, after learning it completely, dear sisters and brothers, I want you all to remember, you have to learn this completely. You have to make videos of your own, and you have to develop a feeling that I can do this. Okay, only then you have to go with starting on your own. You can just start off your own. You can make your own flyers. In the flyers, this is the flyers that I made 5 to 6 years back, and I promoted in the group, so that this was promoted in many of the groups or something like Instagram or YouTube. And as such, I got the work. Okay, I got the work on my own, and then I started off with making the videos, the contents. First I was a pro in it, and then I just developed by taking more of the projects. So here, see, just what I typed for those projects was, are you looking for a video editor? Search no more. You can just get edited the videos. We are skilled in editing this much, these contents. Then logo reveal videos, intro videos, something videos, business promo videos, business anniversary sale videos, all of it. That is social media icon videos, green screen videos, wedding invitation videos, and many more. And also I had mentioned something important there, disclaimer or something like that. Only the videos that have no background music and also no face revealing videos will be edited by me. Only this should be your conditions that you're going to apply. You have to apply some of the conditions for your work, dear sisters and brothers. You are not so easily available. We are not just the video editors. We are Muslim video editors. We are Islamic video editors. Remember this. We have to have some of the conditions before we start off, right? So this is very mandatory, dear sisters and brothers, that you do not be very lenient with your goals or with your conditions. Okay, remember this. You do not have to include background music in the videos that you're creating. And remember, you have to have your content on the day of judgment. It should give a shahada with you, and it should not give you a shahada against you. It should be a witness for you and not against you, right? So remember this. Okay, and the last thing that you can do with this skill that we have today, given you today, that we have learned in past 20 days, is that you can volunteer your skill for the sake of Allah. What you can do is you can just make the Quranic tilawa video, videos, and you can just make the beautiful content, the Islamic reminders. You just can share it all wherever you want on the social media, or you can go and volunteer for the channels. Some of the channels, Nurul Quran channel provides a Ansarullah form every year. Ansarullah, they call for an Ansarullah, I mean, the volunteer for the sake of Allah for the video editing projects. Even the Maryam Ehtishaman team, even they call for the video editors every now and then. They call for the video editors. You can go and just be a video editor through that, okay? You can just volunteer your skill free of cost. This is the free of cost, fee sabilillah work you can do for them, okay? Just search for them or search for any of the channels and type Ansarullah there and search. If you have, you can volunteer your skill there, okay? This is a skill that is of benefit. It is not a waste time that you have wasted here. It is a time of use, right? Alhamdulillah, you all have learned so much, and it is a great ability that you all have learned. It is the greatest skill that you have learned. Alhamdulillah. Will you all just recommend this course to someone in your locality or someone in your contacts, or as such? Did you all find it interesting? Did you all find beneficial? Did you all find it beneficial? If yes, I want you all to recommend this to your cousins, to your friends, to your family, and more, inshallah, so that they also can benefit from this, inshallah. We are starting off with the next batch of this, dear sisters and brothers. I wanted you to notify to you all from the 23rd, okay? I want you all to just notify this to your siblings or someone. You make them join this course, inshallah. They will also learn so much through this, inshallah. If you want, please share the flyers. I'll share the flyers in the groups. Please forward it with your friends, with your colleagues, with your wherever you want, inshallah. From the 23rd of the January, we are going to begin another batch of this course. I want you all to notify this to your special people, inshallah. So this was about the session that we had today. It was a takmeel session, alhamdulillah. So all praise be to Allah who has made this good deed accomplished through us, alhamdulillah. So let's just finish this off with just a short dua. Oh Allah, alhamdulillahi bi ni'matihi tatimmu salihat. All praise be to Allah, by whose grace these good deeds are accomplished, right? All praise, all thanks, all praise belongs to Allah, who has enabled us to accomplish this good deed, right? Subhanallah. Oh Allah, just enable us to use this ability to best of our understanding, to the best of our knowledge, so that we can use this to serve your deen, inshallah. Oh Allah, make this ability of us, make this ability that we have learned, that we just utilize it for your deen and not against your deen, inshallah. Oh Allah, Ameen, Ameen. We have to say Ameen, right? Oh Allah, let this ability of ours stand for us on the day of judgment, and let it not stand against us on the day of judgment, right? We already will be having burdens of sins. Oh Allah, forgive us for that. Oh Allah, just make this ability of ours, make this ability of ours stand for us on the day of judgment and not against us on the day of judgment. Oh Allah, make this editing of ours as a career for us in the future, so that we all can earn rizq halal through this, inshallah ta'ala. Ameen summa ameen. Hope you all found it very interesting. May Allah make this journey of yours into the building a career with the video editing very easy for you all. Jazakumullahu khairan, my dear sisters and brothers. It was nice time spending with you all. Alhamdulillah, you were excellent students. These were all the interactive sessions that we had. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Subhanakallahumma bihamdika nashhadu an la ilaha illa anta astaghfiruka wa atubu ilayk.